Are you looking for the best online business to start right now? Look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing the top online business ideas that you can start today. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a type of online business that involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made from your unique link. You can promote products on social media or create a blog or website. It's a great way to start making money online with very little startup costs. Next up is e-commerce. This is a popular online business idea where you sell physical or digital products in an online store. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy to start your online store. You can sell anything from handmade goods to digital products like online courses. With e-commerce, the possibilities are endless. Another online business idea is social media management. If you have a passion for social media, you can start your own social media management business. You'll be managing social media accounts for businesses and brands, creating content, and engaging with followers. It's perfect for those who love social media and have a creative eye. Lastly, we have online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a niche area, you can start your own coaching or consulting business. You can offer coaching or consulting services on anything from fitness to business strategy. With online coaching or consulting, you can work with clients from all over the world and help them achieve their goals. So there you have it, the top online business ideas to start right now. Which one will you choose? Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.